Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to install metal roofing screws. Metal roofing screws are one of the best ways to go and it gives you the longest life. It's better than using just a regular metal roofing nail. Those have a tendency to pull out when the temperature change. For this job I'm going to be using a battery powered drill, a 1/4 inch bit, and a drill bit that is just a little bit smaller than the shaft of my screw. The first thing I like to do is go ahead and pre-drill my holes on my sheets of metal. That way I don't have to sit up there on the roof and try to go ahead and bore it through there while I'm trying to hold the metal in place. So I'm going to take my drill bit, put it onto the metal, and go ahead and give me a pilot hole in there. After I have my pilot hole done, I'm going to switch over to my 1/4 inch bit and go ahead and put a screw in there. Then place the tip of the screw right into my pilot hole and go ahead and just start drilling it into the piece of metal underneath. Now after you start feeling a little bit of resistance, you want to watch the washer on the inside of the screw to just mushroom it out a little bit from the side of the cap. You want the washer to stick out a little bit because that's what's keeping the water from running down into the screw hole. And you don't want to smash it in there because that's going to allow cracks inside of your washer and allow water to slide in there. And it's also going to cause it to wear faster because of the UV rays eating that away. Knowing how to properly install metal roofing screws can help prolong the life of your roof and the durability of it. Thank you all for watching and good luck with this project.